If Handbrake is showing a queue error or your jobs are getting stuck in an error state, don't worry. This is usually fixable in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the Handbrake queue error, remove the broken queue files, and also explain the hardware transition bug that can cause jobs to fail when switching between different encoder types. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and how-to guides. First, close Handbrake completely. This is important because you do not want the program writing to the queue while you're trying to clean it up. Next, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together. Once Task Manager opens, look through the running processes and find any HandBrake.Worker.Exe processes. If you see one, end that task right away. This worker process can keep the queue locked or keep the error from clearing properly, so make sure every Handbrake worker is fully stopped before you continue. Now open File Explorer and go to the Handbrake app data folder. You can do this quickly by pasting this path into the address bar, %appdata%\handbrake. Inside that folder, you should find the queue files that store the current job list and its saved state. Delete Queue.Json and delete Queue.Db. These are the files that usually keep the error state active, so removing them clears out the broken queue data. After that, reopen Handbrake. When the app starts again, the queue error should be gone. Keep in mind that you will need to re-add your files because deleting the queue files resets the saved queue. That is normal. The important part is that the stuck error state is cleared and you can begin fresh. Now let's talk about the hardware transition bug because this is a common reason Handbrake queues fail in the first place. Handbrake's worker process can sometimes crash when it moves from one file in the queue to the next, especially if those jobs use different GPU encoders. For example, if one item is using X264 and the next one is using NVE/NC, that encoder switch can trigger instability in long queues. So take a look at your queue and try to make sure all of the jobs are using the same encoder. A good rule is to keep everything consistent. If you're using X264, try to keep all jobs on X264. If you're using NVE/NC, keep the whole queue on NVE/NC. Mixing encoders can be what causes the handoff between jobs to break. If you do need to mix them, there is another setting you can change to improve stability. Go to Tools, then Preferences, then Video. Look for the setting that says Prefer Use OS NVIDIA and disable it. This forces the CPU to handle the opening of the files instead of letting the GPU do it. In many cases, that is much more stable for long queues, especially when Handbrake has to process a lot of items one after another. It may not be as flashy as a full GPU workflow, but it can save you from random queue failures and error states. So the quick fix is simple. Close Handbrake, end any HandBrake.Worker.Exe processes in Task Manager, delete Queue.Json and Queue.Db from the Handbrake app data folder and restart the app. Then, if you're still seeing problems, check whether your queue is mixing encoder types and turn off Prefer Use OS NVIDIA in the video preferences if needed. That combination usually solves the queue error and helps prevent it from coming back. If this video helped you fix your Handbrake queue error, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical app tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.